Out here new boot goofing, babe. Grabbing some lunch. That's a wrap? Hi everyone. Alright, this morning we woke up. What hotel is this?
Grand
Old Vista. Here in Grand Junction, Colorado. And we have to race to Denver so Stephanie can get her oil change. She got an appointment set for 10 o'clock, and then on the way here she moved it to 12 because she didn't know it took 4 hours to get there from here. But after this ride, it kind of gets super boring. So yeah, after Denver, it's just flat, miserable and straight. And
Anyway,
how you want to start?
It did rain here in Grand Junction, but the sun is shining, so we might delayer quick. I don't know. We're gonna go grab some breakfast and head on the road to Denver, which is gonna take 4 hours, probably a little longer because we're gonna go through some like really cool mountain areas, which I plan on like, I don't know, taking in before it's all gone.
Yeah.
And we go through the flyover states back home. But we should be in Kansas by tonight. Anyway.
What day is it?
Tuesday.
Oh, how many days?
It's week 3 started yesterday. Monday. Or is today Wednesday? I don't know. I'm not getting my phone out.
We're gonna go on the road. Yeah, I think it is. what that means? It's not like what county he's in. Yeah, I know, I've seen that. Yeah. Like U.S. Marshal. That's a piece of cardboard. That's the wildest looking camper. I think I'm gonna go and grab like Pop-Tarts or something. The most expensive place to ski in Colorado or in US entirely? Or what's so special about it? Look at them big old ski slopes. I mean, it kind of looks just like Perfect North, honestly. Yeah, look, there's the bunny hill. Surprised they don't do like mountain biking in the summer. Damn, trailer wrapped to match the bus. Their trailer was wrapped to match the bus. This old RV is cool. Oh my god, go dude, you can go. And there's a truck with flashers on up here too. I'm so confused. Is the road not closed or what? Like half mile, and that was a mile ago. It's crazy how cold it gets on the western side of the mountains. Is it illegal to what? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I would have to look it up. I mean, me personally, I don't think it should be illegal, but I wanted to see, we're on here for a little while, so I'll probably hop all the way over in the left lane and so after a quick trip through the Rockies, we finally made it to the BMW dealer.
Yeah, finally.
Out here, new boot goofing, babe.
Genuine ostrich, 3 payments. Oh, wait, what? I'm just goofing. New boot goofing.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind like a red and black. My other ones were white though, and I mean they stayed decent for a while until this trip. Honestly, that's when they started turning black. But I also cleaned them. I mean, like once a season or so, like with some of the strongest stuff you could possibly think of. I couldn't fucking find my brake pedal. I thought I was hitting it. I don't know what I was hitting. Yeah, I think there needs to be a stricter, like this guy's got a lane to take off in, and there needs to be something better for driver's tests. Like there's no reason for this many people to be this bad at driving. I can't find my fucking shifters. I don't know what's going on. Right? My like another thing that doesn't help is like, so my brake lever is not too bad, but my shifter is like almost parallel with what my footrest is on. So like I really have to bend my foot up, which is hard right now. Nice. Grabbing some lunch. That's a wrap?
There's no way you can eat that as a wrap.
My wings look good. Alright, so we're back in the BMW dealer in Denver. Apparently Stephanie's bike is leaking oil right by where the chain is, so we're hoping it will make it home. We gotta keep an eye on it. Somewhere in this vicinity it's leaking oil, and you can kind of see it up under there. Now, apparently this is under warranty, so when we get it back, they should be able to recover it. Well, you've had it in just like regular one-person mode. Thanks, Sig. Yeah. Smoking a big old cigar.